What's up, everybody? Nick Brengle here, and I'm just here really quick to talk a little bit about this 3-part mini series that starts tomorrow called Create Something. And it's basically going to cover 3 different categories that I just made up. I shot quick little scenes and edited them, produced them, wrote and did everything from beginning to end. And I'm just going to show you those. We're going to talk a little bit about the inspiration behind it and how it was accomplished, and to just really show you that you can make your ideas come true, that your dreams can become reality. And so I'm excited about that. I'm encouraging you to comment below, ask questions, link any new short films or videos that you're coming out with to just give me more inspiration. And so, as always, if you like this, smash the like button, subscribe, because you're not going to want to miss these episodes. I think they're going to be fun. This little mini series, I just thought of it out of nowhere. And we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. We're almost there. It's gonna be nuts when we hit 1,000. It's gonna be crazy. I'm probably gonna take my pants off and just go nuts and probably get arrested or something. So just stay tuned and just be on the lookout for the first part to this 3-part mini series thing. Create Something. Wow. I'm blown away.